how do I get this ignition switch out? You're going to have to remove the airbag, and then you remove the steering wheel, okay? And then you're going to remove the steering column module, which is right under the steering wheel. First thing you need to do is just remove this trim for the instrument cluster. Okay, and this you just pull off. Okay. Plastic portion off. Now, all we have to do now is remove the airbag and remove the steering column module. Make sure you disconnect your negative battery cable. If you don't disconnect the battery cable, you're going to have an SRS light on. It's got 2 screws on the back over here. All right, so I've gotten both sides, and now the airbag comes right off. Careful, because there's 2 connectors underneath. So that is the airbag completely off now. Just these 2 connectors, take those off. Okay, leave those in there. Okay, this is the next part. This is the steering column module. Be careful when removing these connectors. After you remove the airbag screws, take these off carefully. So just pull this off. This just pulls right off. There is an electrical connector down here, so just pull it off gently. So there's the connector, and it's connected down there. So you'll have to remove that little black plastic clip. Okay. And then you just depress that yellow tab and pull the electrical connector out. You can do that now. It's out now. There it is. And there's the connector. And there is the ignition switch. Now we're just going to take this little plastic ring off. You can just use pliers or a screwdriver and go lefty-loosey on one of these ridges here. You can see there's a ridge in there. There's 3 cables, 2 electrical and the floor shifter cable. Okay, and the electrical ones are fairly simple. There's a little tab right on top of that one there. You press the tab with your finger and then pull it out. Okay. Simple. And same thing with the top one up here. Let's see if you can see it up here. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Just press the tab, this little tab here, and pull it out. And then you can see a piece of the floor shifter cable. There's one on this side, there's one on the opposite side. You pinch these 2 together, and then you push forward towards the front of the car, and it comes right out. Okay, that's loose now. See? All right, and now you just punch this through. There's nothing else holding it. And you can bring this out now. Okay. So if you're sending me your ignition switch and key, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I need. Your ignition switch and at least one of your keys.